Paano pumalya, hindi nag-start?
Okay, parang yung kabayo siya na
Tumitigidig. Thank you. It's a wonderful day, guys. Sa video natin today, papakita ko sa inyo ang tamang pag-engine wash at magbibigay ako ng 10 tips. Number 1 sa ating engine wash tips ay ang engine wash ay dapat ginagawa lang every 6 months or 10,000 km mileage or during muddy and dusty trips. Usually, ginagawa rin ito kung ibebenta nyo ng inyong sasakyan. That's tip number 1. Papa-engine wash?
Yes po. Ito sir.
Oo. Ipapapila pa ba o? Sige. And for tip number 2, go to a reputable car care shop. Yung car care shop na pinuntahan ko today is Customer Cradle. It is located at Alabang Zapote Road, Las Piñas City. At they are very reliable and experienced in handling engine wash. Kuya, palalamigin pa yan, di ba? Ilang minutes pinalalamig? Tip number 3 is let the engine cool down for 30 minutes to 1 hour para hindi ma-burn out or maluto yung mga plastic parts and other metal parts ay hindi mabilis mag-corrode. So while waiting, you can stay at the customer's cradle lounge, which is very relaxing and convenient. As you can see, maraming ladies na dito nagsistay kasi fully air conditioned, and there are also free beverages like brewed coffee, hot tea, water. They also have sandwiches, which is around 40 to 50 pesos lang. The toilet is also very clean. So tuloy tayo sa tip number 4. By this time, which is around after 30 minutes to 1 hour, si Kuya ay i-cover na dapat niya yung alternator and computer box with a floor. Ito yung dalawang very critical na parts na dapat mababasa. Moving on to tip number 5, Kuya is now doing the pressure rinsing and washing with plain water para matanggal yung mga external dirt. Kuya, video ko lang kung paano ginagawa. So tip number 6 na tayo, which is almost halfway through this video. Kuya is now applying the engine cleaner and degreaser solution. So anong brand? Kung itatanong ninyo, this is not a sponsored vlog, but sabi ni Kuya, Armor All daw yung ginagamit nilang brand. Tip number 7, Kuya is now rubbing the deep dirt areas with cloth. So para matanggal yung mga nanikit na dumi at dust sa ating iba't ibang parts ng engine. Kailangan talaga ng manual rubbing with a cloth.
Battery hindi na dinidetach, no? Basta naka-off yung engine.
Guys, ayaw nila na nadi-disturb habang nag-work sila, pero nung nagpaalam naman tayo kay Kuya, pumayag naman siya at hindi na niya ako binabasa nung nagpaalam ako sa kanya. Ito na guys, tip number 8. Binabasa na ulit tayo ni Kuya, pati ang ating engine. Pressure rinse and washing na siya ulit with water. Moving on to tip number 9. So by this time, si Kuya, ang gagawin na niya, aalisin na niya yung cloth cover ng alternator and computer box. Ito yung tinakpan natin dati na dalawang critical parts na pag nabasa ay maaring magkaroon ng major damage or breakdown sa inyong engine. Tip number 10 is the blow drying part and the wiping na of excess water. So since this is number 10, you might be expecting that this is the last tip or the last part. Pero wait, parang may kakaibang nangyayari sa aking kotse.
Paano pumalya hindi nag-start?
Okay, parang yung kabayo sir na
Tumitigidig.
So there was a noticeable engine jerk or misfire. Nangyayari ito pag nabasa yung spark plugs, wires, sensors, connectors, and possibly the battery terminals. This can lead to short circuits, especially around the high voltage spark plug wires. So ano naman ang troubleshooting dito or workaround? Pag ganyan, ganito ang ginawa ni Kuya. Nispray lang niya ng compressed air yung 4 na holes ng mga spark plug areas para ma-push out at ma-evaporate lahat ng wetness or yung excess water. And lastly, pahabol na tip, they also apply engine cleaner for that shiny look. The engine cleaner brand, this is not sponsored again, is Armor All.
Pina-engine wash.
So oras na para magbayad tayo guys, and eto na ang reveal kung magkano ang price ng kanilang engine wash for a sedan car.
KAD.
I availed VIP or loyalty card para merong discount na 10% 5 to 10% every time magpa-service ako sa kanila ng car. The price of their engine wash is 350 pesos for a small sedan car like the Hyundai Reyna, and at a discounted rate 5%, which is 1750, so I paid a total of 332.50 pesos.
Okay na kuya? Ha?
At dahil may barya tayong 50
Load lang
pesos,
natin, ha?
bibigay na lang natin itong tip kay Kuya.
Pero ngayon okay na.
Dahil na-troubleshoot niya ang ating pagtigidig ng ating sedan car na ating pina-engine wash.
Oo. Linis na, no? Gusto mong invite sila dito?
Gawa po kayo din sa amin. Customer Skyler po. Safe na safe, sir.
Anong pangalan mo ulit kuya?
Sendo po.
Sendo?
Yes, po.
Okay, thank you kuya Sendo.
Welcome po.
So eto na, ipapakita ko na ang before and after shots ng ating engine after the engine wash. So super kintab, super linis, parang brand new na yung engine. That's it for this video guys. Click that share, subscribe button, and don't skip the ads. Thank you, God bless.